Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Northwestern Union County, Indiana, Northern Fayette County, Indiana, until 11 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Castle, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Wayne, Northern Fayette, and Northern Union counties. Hazard: 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Richmond Municipal Airport, Mount Auburn, Franklin, Dublin, Spring Grove, Abington, Cambridge City, East Germantown, Interstate 70 at exit 145, Bentonville, Economy, Greens Fork, Williamsburg, Bethel, Hagerstown, Fountain City, Boston, Middleborough, Whitewater, and Jacksonburg. This includes I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 156. Here is a